The Amazon jungle, also known as the Amazon rainforest, is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, covering approximately 5.5 million square kilometers to 0.1 million square miles. It spans across 9 countries in South America, with Brazil containing about 60% of the rainforest. The Amazon River, the second longest river in the world, runs through the rainforest and supports a vast network of over 1,100 tributaries. This immense region is known for its rich biodiversity and plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth because it produces around 20% of the world's oxygen. The rainforest is home to approximately 390 billion individual trees belonging to about 16,000 different species. The dense vegetation of the rainforest is organized into several layers, including the emergent layer, canopy, understory, and forest floor, each supporting different types of plants and wildlife. The fauna of the Amazon is equally diverse, hosting iconic species such as jaguars, Amazon river dolphins, giant anteaters, sloths, capybaras, and various monkey species. The region is also rich in bird life, with over 1,500 species, including the harpy eagle, toucans, and macaws, as well as reptiles and amphibians like the anaconda, caimans, and poison dart frogs. The Amazon River and its tributaries are home to over 2,000 species of fish, including the piranha, arapaima, and the unique pink river dolphin. The climate of the Amazon is tropical, characterized by high humidity, heavy rainfall, and consistently warm temperatures year-round. The rainforest receives about 2,000 to 3,000 millimeters, 80 to 120 inches of rain annually, with some areas receiving even more. Average temperatures range between 25 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, though it can occasionally reach up to 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The wet season typically runs from December to May. The Amazon rainforest plays a critical role in global ecology. It acts as a significant carbon sink, absorbing vast amounts of CO2 from the atmosphere and thus helping mitigate climate change. Additionally, the rainforest contributes significantly to the global water cycle through a process called transpiration, where trees release water vapor into the atmosphere, influencing weather patterns both locally and globally. The Amazon is also home to hundreds of indigenous tribes, each with its own unique culture, language, and traditions. Some of these tribes, such as the Yanomami, Kaipo, and Ashaninka, have lived in the rainforest for thousands of years. It is estimated that about 100 uncontacted tribes still exist in remote areas, making the Amazon one of the few places where isolated human communities are still present. Indigenous peoples possess deep knowledge of the rainforest ecosystem, including the medicinal uses of plants, sustainable hunting practices, and ways to manage forest resources without causing long-term damage. Despite its significance, the Amazon faces numerous threats, primarily from deforestation driven by agricultural expansion, logging, mining, and infrastructure development. It is estimated that around 17% of the rainforest has been lost in the last 50 years. Climate change also poses a significant threat, with rising global temperatures and changing rainfall patterns potentially leading to more frequent droughts and forest fires. Illegal activities like logging, mining, and poaching further endanger the Amazon's future. Conservation efforts are ongoing, with local, national, and international organizations working to protect the rainforest through various initiatives, including protected areas, indigenous reserves, sustainable development projects, and reforestation programs. The Amazon jungle is of immense importance to the world, serving as a biodiversity hotspot containing around 10% of the known species on Earth. It plays a crucial role in climate regulation by acting as a major carbon sink and contributing to the global water cycle. Additionally, the rainforest holds cultural and medicinal value, providing countless medicinal plants used by indigenous peoples for centuries with potential pharmaceutical applications. It is also home to many unique species and ecosystems that are yet to be fully understood or discovered. Protecting the Amazon is essential for maintaining biodiversity, regulating the climate, and preserving the cultural heritage of its indigenous peoples. Geography and location. The Amazon rainforest is an expansive tropical rainforest spanning across 9 South American countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana, covering approximately 5.5 million square kilometers to 0.1 million square miles. It is the largest rainforest on Earth. The forest basin is primarily fed by the Amazon River, which is over 6,400 kilometers for 1,000 miles long. The river carries more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined and accounts for about 1/5 of the world's total river flow. This extensive water network is integral to the Amazon's ecosystem, creating a unique environment that supports one of the highest concentrations of biodiversity on the planet. Biodiversity and ecosystems. Flora. The Amazon is often called the Green Ocean due to its dense and multi-layered vegetation. The forest structure consists of multiple layers: the emergent layer, canopy, understory, and forest floor, each hosting distinct forms of life. The emergent layer includes the tallest trees, like the Brazil nut tree and the kapok tree, which can reach up to 70 meters to 130 feet in height. The canopy, which forms a dense, continuous layer of foliage about 30 to 40 meters, 100 to 130 feet above the ground, is home to many plants and animals. About the understory, a darker and more humid environment, is populated by smaller trees and shrubs adapted to low light. The understory, a darker and more humid environment, is populated by smaller trees and shrubs adapted to low light. The forest floor, receiving only about 2% of the sunlight, is covered with decomposing plant material, which contributes to the nutrient-rich soil. The Amazon contains an estimated 390 billion individual trees and over 16,000 tree species. In addition to its rich diversity of trees, the forest is home to thousands of plant species that play vital roles in the ecosystem. Many of these plants have medicinal properties, some of which are still unknown to science. Indigenous communities have used the Amazon's flora for centuries to treat various ailments, and modern medicine continues to explore these plants for potential pharmaceutical uses. Fauna. The Amazon rainforest hosts a staggering variety of wildlife, making it one of the most biodiverse regions in the world. It is home to more than 427 mammal species, over 1,300 bird species, about 378 reptile species, and more than 400 amphibian species. Among the notable mammals are the jaguar, puma, tapir, giant anteater, and various species of monkeys, such as the howler monkey and spider monkey. The Amazon is also a haven for numerous bird species, including the harpy eagle, which is one of the largest and most powerful birds of prey, and a variety of colorful parrots, such as macaws and toucans. Aquatic life in the Amazon is equally diverse, with more than 2,000 species of fish found in the river system, including the arapaima, one of the largest freshwater fish, and the notorious piranha. The river is also home to the Amazonian manatee, a large aquatic mammal, and the pink river dolphin, which has become a symbol of the region's rich biodiversity. Insects and invertebrates. The Amazon is a hot spot for insect diversity, with an estimated 0.5 million insect species. This includes many unique and fascinating insects, such as the leafcutter, known for its complex social structures and role in decomposing plant material. Other notable insects include the rhinoceros beetle, which is one of the strongest animals in the world relative to its size, and various species of butterflies and moths, which contribute to pollination. Thanks for watching.